Now, from a basic send, if we wanted to send this video that we recorded, right? We recorded it, we made it, everything's good to go. All we have to do is just open up an email. We open up a compose, and you always want to have the word video in the subject line. Very rare that you see it still. Definitely have it as the first thing they read. And then you want a little bit of text in here in terms of why they should watch the video. You don't want too much because you want people to see the animated GIF. And then to add the video in, you can do it in two ways. So one is if I go down here and there's a little dub button here in Gmail, and in Outlook 365, it'll be off to the right in add-ins. This little shortcut button here is there because of the Dubb Chrome Extension screen recorder that we're going to look at in a minute, which is right up here at the top. So all you have to do is Dubb Chrome Extension screen recorder, Google it, and then you it's like a three-step process. You put it up here, and as soon as it's in there, this little button is going to show up here at the bottom. So if I click this button here, this gives me the ability to record a video right here inside of the email and drop it right in, just like this in this format, webcam format. I also can do some other formats, which I'll show you in a minute when we use the recorder. But for this example, see me scrolling through the library down to the bottom right? This is the Chrome extension. So I'm going to say, hey, where's my video I want to send? Oh, I'm going to send this one right here. So all you have to do is click Advanced Options, put the email in of the person I'm sending it to, because I want to get that tracking. Add a little personalization text if you want, and then just click Insert Video, and it will pop it right in. You also can add a video to an email on any video you select in the video library. All you have to do is click Share and Send. It's a big blue button. Again, put the email in for the tracking, put a little personalization text if you want to, copy for email, and it's just a copy and paste. And you just drop it in just like this.